maintain your content. So this is one thing that we can do. Okay. And then another thing is, let me say you want to have a custom domain. Okay, you want to have a custom domain like this. Okay, this Amadou Kumar online digital marketing trainer blog I have. Okay, you go here, you go and click on this view blog. Instead of amadukumar.blogspot.com, it opens amadukumar.com. Now, here is where I buy this domain from Google for free, for 860 rupees per year, and that's it. Okay, my hosting is already done with blogger.com, so I'm not going to do anything extra here. Okay, so that's done. I want to change the design, I want to change the image, anything I can do based on my choice. Okay, all I need to do is buy a domain from Google, Freenom, GoDaddy, wherever you go, you can buy a domain. Go to the settings section of this one. There are lots of videos also available in the internet if you go and check it out. Okay, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Under the settings, formatting, meta tags.
Sir, whatever the design we want to do it and how to say purchased domain, we can do in this Blogger, sir. That is Blogger website.
Obviously,
everything we can do.
Everything you can. There is no restriction with respect to blogger.com, gentlemen. All the things that you need to understand is like you should know how to do it.
So then why we need to go for purchasing the domain?
Did I tell you to not to go? Or did I tell you to
no. Why we need to go for the service provider? Since even if freely it is available, we can advertise, we can generate the leads. Even all facilities are there in the Blogger. Why we need to go for why you went for buying a domain and advertised your own training programs?
See, I'm using Blogger only, right? I'm not going outside.
Your own domain was a service provider domain. You purchase.
Domain service is taken from Google. So domain is taken from Google only, right? See, if people want to look at my business, when they look at this amadukumar.com, it is a website for them. You're getting your point?
Okay.
If they look at amadukumar.blogspot.com, that is a free for them. Right? So people, when they see a free hosted website or other stuff, their trust on your business is automatically lost because I can shut down this one at any time and I can ignore. You're getting your point?
Okay.
Right. And moreover, I have nothing to sell online. I have only information to connect with people. Correct?
Okay.
So I don't need that kind of paid process to go for. My business does not need that. Okay. This is the reason. Okay. So I think they have moved it to different options also. Let me see it with a very careful note. Google Search Console. Okay. So domain. Maybe this starting itself. So basic description. Okay, adult content, favicon, publishing, blog address. Okay, there is it under the section. Okay, redirect domain to this one. So blog address, custom domain. So click on this custom domain. Can you see? I can add my custom domain here. Okay, I can add it. I add it. My blog address is this one, amadukumar.blogspot.com, which was created for free. Then it is configured with this one. Okay, so redirect option. So what I can do, let me say I register a new domain for this particular website which I spoke about, website demo blog, right? For this, I go to the settings option, okay, and I go to the publishing option. My blog address is this website demoblog.blogspot.com. I go to the custom domain option, click on this, and I have to add a custom domain here. Okay, let me say I register a website, okay, website demo, website demo.blogspot.com. Sorry, website demo.in, let me say. So this is my custom domain which I have added. Let me make it as www. this one. Okay, and I click on save. What does it say? Now, we are unable to verify you are the owner of the product or services. Okay, on your domain registrar's website, locate your domain name service settings, enter the following CNAMEs. So they are guiding us. You have to enter www destination, you have to enter this one in the designation, and this is what you are supposed to do. So they have given us the instruction. Now what I have to do, if I bought this domain in GoDaddy, I have to go there and execute this. If I bought the domain in Google Domains, I have to go there and execute the settings which are there telling me to do. Once done, my domain will be linked to this one. Okay, so until otherwise it will not be showing. So there is an option to set up a third-party domain name with blogger.com. Once it is done, Blogger offers you HTTPS, secure socket layer content is also for free. I get HTTPS for free. I get this domain name with the .com, and also I make sure that I get my website which is 100% uptime, which never goes down. Server loads faster. The website is very simple, elegant. I don't need to recurrently pay for another service. Agree my point? Okay. So this is basically a platform which I figured out to do it for myself because there was a need, because I didn't have money to do it, to be very frank. Okay, so I need to have it. Now, end of the day, what I figured out is like, what if I go out and create a WordPress based website and the website is hacked? What can I do? Who will be, affected? Now, tell me, if my WordPress website is hacked, who has to break the head? Me or WordPress? WordPress is an open source platform. Correct. Who has to break the head if the website is hacked? Any idea? Let me say you have your own car guiding us, and when you drive your own car and you get your teacher, this one is like kind of option, and this is what you are supposed to do. So they have given us the instruction, right? Your own car. Now what I have to do? What are you supposed to do? I bought this domain GoDaddy. I have to go there.
We only
have to fix the domain in Google Domains. I have to go there and exit. You go by public transport, government bus. What happens? Once done, mine will be linked to this. Okay, government has always will not be showing. So there is an option to set up shift us to a different person and the government name with Blogger. Taking it, putting it in the shade and repairing it. Blogger offers you HTTP. Correct. Do you think I have to go take the bus, put it into the repairing shade and move to my home when it's a public transit? Get this domain name with the .com. So I outsource my travel requirements to the government to be my website, which is the same way I outsource my website performance details. Let Google do the loads faster. The website is very simple, elegant. I don't need to recurrently pay. Okay, so I have given you the glimpse of it. So this is basically a platform which teach my students around. I figured out to do it for my hands-on. I take one day to edit the title. I take one day to help them change the template. I take just like that, so that they can do it by themselves. They have it now. So what I'm trying to do is like that. What if we go out and create a WordPress-based website and the website is hope that if you don't have any financial background, if you don't have any political background or anything like that, now tell me, if you have an access to internet, at least who has to break the head? You can go to a browsing center. WordPress is a open source consistent. The probability of who has to break the head in the website is very high. Any idea? Let me say you have your own car guiding and when you drive your own car and you get your I happen to meet a situation in Chennai where this is what you are supposed to do. There are some places where we meet your own car. Now what I have to do? What is my situation? GoDaddy. I have to go when I happen to get with an uncle where I say like, why are you climbing Chennai? You go by public transport. Government will say, what happens? Why are you not telling that Chennai is not a good place to live something like that and all? Okay, my uncle said like in the same location in Chennai only. There are beggars who are living, there are millennials who are living, there are entrepreneurs who share business employees. So all category of people are living in the same city, but they are leaving the shared Anybody who wants to be a multimillionaire, they are preferring to become a multimillionaire. I outsource my travel requirements to the government. Now the deal is like, which one you want to be lead your life? I want to lead the life of your husband, right? So we are living the life of somebody else. Let Google do the loads. Why I'm trying to tell this website is because it's very simple, elegant. If you have decided to execute all this stuff and pay, okay. So I have given you the glimpse of it. So this basically blogger.com is available as a platform which teach my students on your mobile. YouTube is available as a mobile application. You can install it. I take one day to edit videos on iPhone without touching help them change the template and Google Sheets, Google Docs, Canva, so that they can do anything you take it. It is available as a platform. Gentlemen, you install on your phone. If you go and create a WordPress based website and the website is, you don't need to have a laptop. You don't need to have a computer. If you don't have, okay, if you have 1 or 2 hours of access to it, better pay 20-30 rupees to go to the nearby browsing center and anything like that. Now, tell me that if you have an access to it, okay. So the biggest statement that I want to leave with respect, you can go to a browsing center. Please never ever listen to what you don't have. The probability of getting the what you have and what best that we can create as an opportunity. Let me say you have what you want to guiding, making the best use of the available resources is the greatest opportunity that anybody can grab. without winter situation in Chennai, lots of people are promoting the paid stuff and all the content because as I've already told you, I have to okay. So when I happen to say that when somebody promotes, you go by public transport, government has money. Okay, then all these people are actually making money out of it by promoting it. What does you and me get when I promote bloggers on television? I get beggars as well. I think there are millennials who are I don't make any revenue by suggesting the blogger comes to without giving employees. So all categories of people are living in this, right? Blogger.com is a product. When people say, where do you want to be a multimillionaire, they are preferring two ways of telling. Now the deal is, which one you want is, I'm hosting my website for free. And the next one is, where do you host your website? I say to people that I host my website. So we are leading the life of somebody else. Am I telling that why I'm trying to help? I'm telling the life. I'm hosting my website for free, or I'm hosting my website with Google Pay, which is okay. So I have given the glimpse of it. So this basically true. Blogger.com is available as well, which is true. I'm hosting a website with Google, or I'm hosting it for verification. And so I take one videos. Yes, Tushar, the Canva application is used by graphics and Google Sheets, Google Docs, Canva.com. Any answer? Anything you take it with Google, right? Should I have to mention it as free hosting or Google hosting? Tell me. That is attitude. That is attitude. I go over and speak with the marketing or digital marketing project and I tell them, hey, I better pay 20-30 rupees to have a browsing center. And you say host my website with Amazon and you spend around 6,000 to 7,000 rupees every month. You are proud. So the biggest statement that I want to leave with respect, you can go to Amazon proud. I mean, please never listen to what you don't. Within Google is a very small organization. Go over and check out what is and Google what best that we can create. Let me say you have guiding the layout of shame about telling people that I have taken a great everybody can also have to without winter situation in Chennai. List my caller and say that lots of people are promoting the paid stuff and all the content because as I've already told you, there is money okay. So when I happen to say that so every time what when somebody promotes, you go by public transport, money. All these people are simply making money out of it by promoting. Amazon affiliate does when I promote bloggers on television. I get beggars as well. In earlier times of my digital marketing, what do you do? I used to tell them I associate with all categories of people are living in this. I associate with Blogger.com is a product. People say, where do you associate with I associate with Google on the advertisement. The more users I give to Google is more the revenue share that the next one is where you host your website. That is what happens with AdSense. When we don't make even 10,000 rupees, I'm I'm hosting a website as a part of program, or I'm hosting a website associated with them and generate revenue out of it, which is okay. So I have Google AdSense program is a partner program where you display advertisement on your website. So this website is called a Google Partner Site. If you want, you can go over and watch. I don't tell lies in website with Google. I'm hosting it for verification. So the deal is whether you are making $200 or you are making Tushar, the Canva your decision is used by graphics and you decided to stick on to $200. What's the big deal? Any answer in this? What's the big deal? I decided to what's the big deal? Should I mention it as free hosting or Google hosting? The same way, not everybody can do everything. The deal is like whatever you like. That is attitude. That is attitude. Do it on your free time. Don't do it on your productive time. Okay, whether you are creating a free website, you are creating other content. Okay, you are doing a blogging, you are doing SEO, you are consulting other people. 8 hours a day. 8 hours a day, primary job. The primary job might be your job or your education or whatever it may be. That's primary. Another 8 hours in a day is to sleep. So 8 plus 8, 16 is gone. There is another 8 hours in our life which is going waste every day without even knowing any of our knowledge. Okay, without knowing any of your knowledge. Now, what happens? Tap that 8 hours. Assign 3 hours for your daily activities, day-to-day activities, also change. Okay, so 3 hours. Now another 5 hours is there. Take 2 hours out of it. Learn something new about any industry. Take 3 hours and implement. Now, once you are consistently doing this one by 8 hours of productivity, 8 hours of productive job, 8 hours of sleep, and 8 hours of free time, split your free time into 5, 3. Okay. Now, what happens? The 3 can be split into 2 also. That's your choice. We have 8 hours in our hand going waste every day. Stop watching TV. Stop watching your, going outside. Stop watching going for movies. Sit down. Okay, extra mile. Only when you do something on your extra time or free time that has a potential to make you a multimillionaire. Your primary job or your full-time work will not give you financial freedom. It is your extra mile that you do after 6 p.m. Okay. When I work in Amazon, I used to tell this statement to a friend of mine where until 6 p.m. I am a Doberman, which means whatever Jeff Bezos says, I will listen. Whatever my team manager says, I will listen. Whatever my supervisor says, I will listen. After 6 o'clock, I am a Superman. I do what I like the most, not my manager says. Okay, be a Doberman till 6 p.m. and become a Superman after 6 p.m. 6 to 10 is our life to lead in the evening. Try something, do something, make some 1 or 2 rupees extra, make multiple sources of income. Okay, there are lots of things that one can do once you get through some lots of leaderships and other stuff. This is how I learned a lots of stuff as a trial and error method. Digital marketing is not a subject by going. It is a my own priority. Okay, it is my passion that has become a profession. Lots of people used to ask me like, how do you stick on to your routine for hours together? Right? People tell me like, how do you train people? See, this is not the only session which I'm taking. Morning 7 to 8 is my first session. 8 to 9 is my second session. 9 to 10 I'm free. 10 to 11 is my third session. And from 11 is what we are starting. And evening, so 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10. I have scheduled still 10 o'clock, starting from 7 o'clock to till night. Because we are having this program, I'm not canceling anything. The last 7 days, I'm still running the same routine, obviously, because I'm not working to get a salary. This is my passion. This is what I do. You can't find a fish simply sitting, right? You can find a crow which is simply sitting. It has its purpose. I feel digital marketing is purely my purpose, and I always look at into as opportunity, right? So these are the few things that has helped me to retain into this one. And people used to tell me like, how do you do all this sitting down at your home? I said like, you are thinking how to do it. I was thinking what to do it. That's it. When you think on how to do something, you get fear in your mind. How can I do it? When you think what to do next, you get confidence. And when you increase your attitude of what to do, the idea of how to do will automatically develop. So if you are afraid about how to do something, then you are gone. Instead, if you are thinking about what to do next to proceed again and again and again, the idea of how to do some stuff will automatically develop. Okay, so this is very much important aspect with respect to an element of becoming, very keen in a particular industry. So getting into digital industry is not my situation; it is my choice. Okay, so the same way, it cannot be the same thing for everybody out here. You are having your own choices and priorities. Okay, sit down alone in your home, sleep tonight, take 2 to 3 hours alone and see what you are doing maximum in your free time, and that is your passion. Follow it, and you will get lots of fruitful benefits out of it. Okay, so I'm not sure whether we'll be connecting from tomorrow's session or not, but it depends on the organizer and how will they inform me. Okay, so that is a little different. So most probably, I always want to leave you with this dream of, okay, never give it up, number one, and the primary motive of my school, and do it. So give it a try whenever you are trying to do something. Thank you so much for the opportunity for all the team and the members. Okay, I'm with your Telegram group, I'm with your WhatsApp group. Okay, so connect with us. Okay, in any modes and other stuff. Okay, looking forward to have a prospering business opportunities upcoming. Okay, thank you so much for the opportunities, gentlemen. Back to the host. Thank you so much.
Madan sir.
Yes, Mr.
Sorry to interrupt. Can you tell something more about the SSL certificate, sir? SSL 2.0, how to check the genuinity?
Okay, I think there's something which I don't know about myself, but still I have some knowledge about it. I will tell you. Okay. So basically, secured socket layer (SSL) is supposed to be given by your hosting service provider, which means, so the SSL certificate is nothing logically. It is a quality certificate, sir. For example, you start an organization and you get a ISI certification from the quality team, right? So they come and give you ISI 9001, 2001 certification. The same way in digital platform, the Okay, security parameter is very important, and the data transfer is taken very seriously. And the old form of HTTPS or SSL certificate is having some bugs and all of the stuff. So the probability of data being stolen or taken is very high. But whereas with the latest version of SSL certifications and its validation, the data cannot be stored is a difference between the different version of SSL certifications. Okay, generally it is offered for free. And what does SSL actually does is it actually encapsulates data. It actually it actually covers a particular data. Okay, and it does not reveal the original identity. Okay, for example, I have a pack. Okay, let me say we have seen this movie Pulkesi, right? Pulkesi, there is one Pulkesi movie where they would have given the cane, peramble, right? I think they will have it, no, not peramble. They will have a knife inside instead of the peramble. Okay, whenever the king asks, they will cut apple and give it. Okay, so until people knows that there is a knife inside, used it for this purpose. Okay. That looks like encapsulated. People never understand what is there inside. So when your predictor data is transferring online, okay, when it is covered, people cannot detect the original information. That is the thing. Okay, and that is the reason we are using SSL certifications. Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, for your wonderful presentations on today's topic.
Again, we are meeting Amala Kumar, sir, and the live participants, yeah, with the different topics and with the different inputs and very good interaction also.
Very good one. Thank you so much.
I thank, yeah, really, which is a boosting thing for everybody continuously. This is the 7th day, and yeah, we are meeting again for the next batch, next phase also. Thank you very much. If any participant wish to ask anything, you can contact through our mail ID, organizer mail ID, or the resource person mail ID. No issue at all. We are open for everybody academically. No issue at all. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you, Amala Kumar, sir. We are meeting again. I
Sure.
will call you. Yeah.
Thank you so much, madam.
Sir, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Faram. Harshini has raised a question. Can we keep our own secret password for our website? If we can, how to do? Own secret password for your website. See, if you are an admin of your website, yes, you are supposed to have one. Okay, that's what I did, right? Okay, if I go log out, I will go out of this account. Okay, your blogger.com profile is what is your username and password is. If you go to WordPress, you will have your own username and password. You go to any platform, you will have your own username and password. Okay, thank you, Harvey. Thank you so much, gentlemen. So have a great day. If anybody has doubt, obviously you have reference to my contact number on my Telegram and also on WhatsApp groups. Okay, so let me have a leave for the day. Yeah, thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much, gentlemen. Thank you. Bye bye.
Okay, thank you so much. Amadan sir,
Yes, Mr. Aruchami sir. சொல்லுங்க.
last ஒரு பாயிண்ட் சொன்னீங்களே, டெசிஷன் மேக் பண்றது, how to do.
Okay.
கேக்குதுங்களா?
கேக்குதுங்க சார். சரியா கேக்குதுங்க.
அது சூப்பர் பாயிண்ட் சொல்லிருக்கீங்க லாஸ்ட் மொமெண்ட். ஏன்னா ஏதோ நிறைய டெசிஷன் மேக்கிங் கரெக்டா தெரியாம நிறைய தப்புகள் பண்றோம் இல்லையா? சோ அது கரெக்டா டெசிஷன். It's a very good point. Thanks for giving that telling that word.
Thank you so much, sir. Most welcome, sir. I'm so glad. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye bye.
Okay.